How to delete a snap on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually delete a particular snap which you have sent on Snapchat. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. Now the first thing you want to bear in mind is that you will not be able to unsend a opened snap. For example, if you've actually sent a snap to a particular person and if that person has already viewed it, you will not be able to actually unsend those. However, if that person has not yet seen the snap which you have sent, you will very easily be able to delete that snap. So you want to make sure to stick with us till the end. First things first, you have to make sure to simply actually update the Snapchat app to the latest version. You can head over to your app store, in the search box type in Snapchat, go ahead and simply either download or update the Snapchat to the latest version so that you will not face any types of bugs or errors during the deleting process. So once you've actually updated Snapchat, I'm going to open it, and the very next thing you want to make sure is that you are basically logged into your account. Once you are logged in, by default you'll have this camera and the snap interface. Now let's say I have already sent a snap to one of my friends. What I'm going to do is, from the bottom left hand side of the screen, you can see this chat icon. So what I will do is simply tap on this chat icon. So as you tap on this chat icon, simply open a chat on which you want to delete a particular snap to. So as you can see, I have actually sent this person a snap and that person has not actually viewed it. So as long as that person or the particular profile has not viewed your snap, you will easily be able to delete or unsend them. What you have to do is simply long press on the preferred snap which you want to delete. Once you actually long press on it, you have been given multiple options to actually save the snap permanently or react to it. But in order to delete it, right at the bottom you'll be able to see this trash like icon. What you have to do is simply tap on this trash icon in order to go ahead and delete this particular snap right over here. And as you can see, it will ask you for a confirmation. When you delete a message, we'll attempt to remove it from our servers and your friends' devices. So what you have to do is simply tap on the OK button right over here, and it will ask you for a confirmation again. Go ahead and tap on the delete button right at the top. As you can see, we've actually deleted a snap. However, that person is also going to get notified that you've actually unsent that particular snap which you have sent. If you want to delete other snaps, go ahead and simply repeat the process right over here. Long press on it, tap on the delete icon or the trash icon, and then tap on delete right over here. And this is basically how you can delete an unseen snap you have sent on Snapchat. Keep in mind, as we said earlier, that if that person has viewed your snap, you will not actually be able to delete it. As long as the person has not viewed your snap, you will actually very easily be able to delete that particular snap which you have sent. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.